How to get a bot notification when a YouTube video is uploaded on Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can get a bot notification whenever a YouTube video is uploaded on a channel. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Discord and head over to the server where you want to add the bot. After that, you can head over to the server's setting, tap on this option, then head over to server settings. On server settings on the left sidebar, find app directory like this and open that up. Now all you have to do is search for an app called YouTube, hit enter, and there you'll see the YouTube option. Open this up and then tap on add app. So after you tap on add app, you will then required to select the server, tap on continue, give the authorization, go through the CAPTCHA, and after that the YouTube bot will be added on your server. So let's head over to the server. Now what you can do is you can see the YouTube's servers, what do you call this? Okay, commands. So there you can see the commands. What you'll need to do is choose this notify add. So choose notify add, give a space, and there you'll need to select your Discord channel. So let's search for general, select general, and now what you'll need to do is enter the app's, enter the channel's name. So let's say Mr. Beast. I'll just give Mr. Beast and hit submit. And with that, I've just selected Mr. Beast. So now I can select Mr. Beast. I'll choose Mr. Beast from here. And there we go. Now Mr. Beast has been added to the notify section. Now if I head over to this notify list and hit enter, it should show me all the YouTube channels that I have that I will get a notification from. So I can edit the message from here as well. So here, let's say he has added a new video, and this should be the custom message. Now, whenever Mr. Beast uploads a video, bot notification will come up in my channel, and that's basically how you do this. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.